In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a logo with Canva AI easily. All right, so to begin, you can click right here on this arrow in the corner and click on more or the templates here for social media. You can select any of them, or you can go up left, which is on the create plus icon, then select the template you want. So in this tutorial we want logo, but if not, you can keep scrolling just to find the template that you are looking for. Right, so for instance, this YouTube banner, you have it here, so that's not what we want. In this tutorial I want logo, so I'll click on it. So normally you can select any of this and just edit it, but I want to create a logo using AI. So scroll down and click on magic media, type your prompt here. All right, then click on generate images. It's gonna generate 4. All right, so these are the images it generated. So let's say I want this and this. Now I'll put it here because I'll try and regenerate another one. All right, that's how I go about it. All right, so to do so, I'll open another page, and this time around I'll say and a real. All right, create a logo for a YouTube channel featuring the text apex cat and an authentic brown cat image. All right, so I'll generate again, and by the way, I'll drop the link in the description box. You can click on it to sign up if you don't have an account. All right, so I did this just to prove something to you. The more detailed you are with your prompt, the better the results or the image is gonna generate for you. So as you can tell, these images look better than the previous one. So let me try and drop everything here first, and this one. All right, so when you look at it carefully, this one I don't like it. So when I go up, difference. All right, so be detailed with your prompt. So the next thing you need to do is, let's say for instance I like this one, so I'll click on it, Control C to copy, then I'll open another page, Control V, and then I'll push it up all the way here to hit the box, then I'll drag it down, then when it snaps, then I stop. When it snaps, if I want to add another element like shapes and a circle, you can type it here, say circle, something like that. So that's another way of going around it. So let's say go to graphics. For instance, I want to use this. All right, by the way, this element is pro, so if you're on the free version, you have to find a circle or that is free. Let's see this one, for instance, or this one. So you know what, I'll use this one for the sake of those who are not on the free pro version. So something like this. All right, and if I want to change the background color, I'll click here, click on color, and let's say I want gradient color, so I'll click see or gradient. So let's assume I want something like, let's see, this one. All right, then in this case I'm gonna have to remove the background color just to on the side, click on it again, then you see even the background remover is here, so which makes it easy to do. All right, then I will push the ring in here, and now if I want to change the color of the ring, I can change that one too. I'm just showing you how to use this thing. All right, so let's say something like this. All right, but you can go whatever color you want. It's up to you. You can play with it, something to make it outstanding. Please don't forget to give you the title. So let's say cat, or the name of your channel. So let's say if your channel's name is funny cats, then you just have to add some keywords here. So let's say cats, stuff like that, whatever you want to add. Then after you go up here, share, click on download. And because I used 3 pages, normally if you use just one page, it's gonna be just one page here, then you click on download. But in this case, I'll click on the arrow down here, then I'll deselect all, then select the page, which is page 3, and click done, and then I'll click on download. So I'll just do it just for the sake of this tutorial to show you how it's gonna look like in reality. All right, so when you open, see, this is how it looks like. All right, and this is cool. I'll drop the Canva link in the description box. Please click on it and sign up if you don't have an account, and don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.